store. That must be it. Steward. And then let's search for OneDrive.
Do I put it together or what?
Yeah, put it together.
OneDrive. Should I do the one that says for Mac or just OneDrive?
Just OneDrive is fine because there it is. So let's open it.
Oh.
And then click that. And let's see. Right now, I think that
These are all
when and look at and click back on your username, and then let's click that the folder with the plus sign to create a new folder. Do you see it over there right above where you are to the left? The folder that has the plus.
Oh, right here.
Yeah. And let's name it, you know, OneDrive.
Oops.
So what'll happen is it will use this folder to temporarily save things on your machine while you're working on them, and then it'll be automatically trying to sync those with your OneDrive folder in the cloud so that it can keep everything working and work together. So let's say choose this location for that. And then next. So you'll be able to find your documents folder inside there after it's synced.
Okay.
Right.
I click open extensions or do this later?
Let's see. It says to see files on demand. Sure, let's open extensions. And then click that, put a check mark by that. Okay. And then you can decide whether you want that to happen automatically or not. So if you check that box, whenever you start using your Mac, it'll automatically log into your OneDrive. So you can change that then anytime you want to if it starts being a problem.
Okay. So that fixed it then?
We'll see. So let's close out of all of this stuff. And let's open Excel and see what it looks like from there.
Which one should I click? Recent?
Yeah. And let's go ahead and open it the same way you did before. Now that one definitely came from your downloads folder. Let's close it and let's open that one from your OneDrive that you opened before. That acted so weird. So yeah, close that one and open again.
Oh, is it this one?
That one, yeah, that one. Okay, and that should just happen this one time. Okay, so now it's saying I've synced that to your machine and it wants you to pick which one it is.
So I have to like...
Oh no, I'm sorry, just click grant access.
Oh.
It's just this first time thing being messy. So we shouldn't have to do that anymore.
So here's the one that I did everything on.
Okay, good. At least we found your good one. Again. Okay, so let's change just like you did before your name and try to save it.
Oops. Okay, so what am I doing?
Just change the spreadsheet just a little bit.
Oh, change the spreadsheet. Okay.
Sorry.
Oops.
You're so good at just following blindly.
I'll put McKenna 2 next to it.
Okay, and then let's try. Oh, now it's got your autosave on. That's much better.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good. So now let's try to save. Just click your save button up there, and it's saving it, I think, automatically anyways.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks a lot better. And then you can even try, if you want to, you could try emailing it to yourself, but I think you're okay. I think you knew where everything was. It's just OneDrive wasn't behaving properly. So.
Okay. So that's okay. So hopefully I shouldn't have any more problems with it.
We'll yell if you do, and we'll try to. I might try to just cut that little part of the video out where you installed OneDrive and post it in case anybody else has a Mac, because I'm sure it's causing other people problems too in the same way if they've got a pretty new Mac.
Yeah.
You'll get it all working and it'll just be wonderful.
Yep. I know. I still have a lot to learn from this.
I mean, you know, it's hard because you're used to a Windows machine and Macs are so nice, and
yes.
There's just a conflict there.
Yep.
Okay, well, yell if you have any more trouble.
I